Hey Bearable Nation, Robert H here. It's been a while since I posted a recap. Quite a bit of red days last week. Not really many trades to talk about, but a couple people have reached out to me and they said, I had a good July, been struggling, and August has been rough. And you're not alone because I'm there too, right? I had a great July, 5 red days. August I've already hit 6 red days, and we're not even halfway through the month. But the market, there's no volume, there's no volatility. Half the traders are away, or a good majority of traders are away, and that causes setups to be more difficult to find. Things are more choppy because us as traders in the aggregate, we are the markets, right? As a whole, we are the ones that create the setups, and that when the setups, when we take those trades, we create volume, we create the movement, the follow through, and bring these self-fulfilling prophecies to life, right? So when a good majority of the people are away, you can't expect the moves to happen. And really just stick to your game plan. You need to adapt to the market. Maybe reduce your share size or move to simulator, or just be very picky and patient with your trades. Don't get taken out of your element, right? Don't get pushed into a style of trading that makes you uncomfortable, and try to adapt that way, because once you've changed your ways to accommodate the market, you've already lost the battle. So anyways, this is my one trade for the day. MU sold off really, really hard at the open. It's a good opening range breakdown. Hit this level here at 50.6, pulled back to VWAP, right? And then it couldn't even get through. I did it twice, so these two candles there, that gives us the wicks for these two candles here. So I saw that and I said, okay, this is a reverse ABCD of some sort, right? And I'm going to go short as soon as it breaks. So as soon as it broke here, it just flushed. So then it flushed and I just took profit along the way. Scaled out the first bit a little too early because, as I was saying, I didn't expect a big 50-60 cent move. I was expecting maybe 20-30 cents and maybe retrace, but I was wrong. But good thing I still had more shares, so I just scaled out on the lower lows, lower highs, and then on this bottom wick here, this tail. So I was in that trade for 30, well, I guess 20-30 minutes or so. Pretty decent move given the market conditions, and then it reversed the other way. And another thing that I'm trying to take more, pay attention more to, is the 15-minute reversal that I talked about. And I notice a lot of people in the chat are taking them, which is great, because the more people who see them, we can, we can call them out, and more eyes the better, right? So I saw this one here at around 130 YY that sold off really big. It's on SSR. It put in this, it couldn't make a new 15-minute low, and then it put in this little inside spinning top. Then it popped up on the new 15-minute high, but it couldn't get any steam here, right? It just ran out of steam. So this is somewhat of a failed reversal. But then, you know what I saw it doing? Higher highs, or sorry, higher lows, right? And it's doing this shape. And if you guys have seen my video, you guessed it. This is the booty reversal breakout. As soon as it made that new 15-minute high at 73.80, this is the entry. Bam! It just rode up. It was a $2 move. $2 move, and it just ran away. It was really, really strong. Once these moving averages crossed over, it just gave it even more momentum, started riding it, and then it butt its head to VWAP here. So this is some sort of a VWAP rejection now. Now it's on its way back down. This is a clean catchable move. 15-minute ride, $2. Amazing stuff. Anyways, yeah, that's my recap. So just my advice, guys. August is almost over. Just try to survive. It's a game of surviving. Personally, I'm using it as a learning lesson. I want to be able to know what to expect, right? This is my first summer trading full time, so just what to expect for next year, and just put that under my belt as some experience. So good trading all. Thanks for watching.